Tension is high in Rockfort, East Kingston this evening. Residents have taken to the streets in protest following a deadly police shooting early this morning. Yannick Williams has the details.
37-year-old Himru Thompson was enjoying his freedom after being released from prison after 13-year sentence. He was released in August last year, but he remained on the police radar. During what police describe as an intelligence-led operation in search of firearms, they were led to the deceased man's home. They report that he was armed and pointed his firearm at them. This led to a shootout when Thompson was fatally wounded, but a female who resides with Thompson refuted the police's account. She says Thompson opened the door and sat at the kitchen entrance alongside the officers when they came to the house.
So I said to them, "Hello, good morning, can I help you? What seems to be the problem?" One of them said to me, "What name?" And I replied and said, "Himru Thompson." They proceeded to me and said to him, "Now, what's your name?" And he answered and said, "Himru Thompson." They said to him now, like they want to verify information, like they said to him, what them call him said Tiger.
She says the officers then asked her to walk with them to the room which Thompson sleeps. His 14-year-old daughter was reportedly asleep at the time of the incident.
I proceeded, went into the room. When I went into the room, his daughter was on the bed sleeping. Because it was after 5, it's not time for school as yet, so I called out to her.
While in the room, she says she heard loud explosions when she ran out towards the kitchen door.
I heard, bam! Bam, bam! So I run out of the room. When I run out of the room and running down the hallway, they blocked the kitchen door. One of them braced the kitchen door and said, "Police business, you can't come in here."
His death has sparked outrage in the Rockfort community, with residents questioning the actions of the police and calling for a full investigation.
You can't tell me why I want to kill him. I don't see him from them kill him. Them lock me out, brace my kitchen door. I want to know why them kill him.
Now the police say Thompson was a high-ranking member of the Gaza and Harbor gangs operating in Rockfort. He was previously convicted for shooting and malicious destruction of government property after opening fire on a police patrol vehicle in Rockfort in 2010. Indicom is investigating. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.